To troubleshoot Zelle payment status, start by understanding how Zelle works. Zelle is a peer-to-peer payment service that allows users to send and receive money directly from their bank accounts. When you send a payment through Zelle, it is processed in real time, and the recipient typically receives the funds within minutes. However, sometimes payments may be delayed or fail, and that is where troubleshooting comes in. First, check the payment status in your Zelle app or online banking platform. Look for the payment in your transaction history and check its status. If the payment is pending, it may be due to the recipient not being enrolled in Zelle or the payment being under review. If the payment has failed, check for any error messages that may indicate the reason for the failure. Next, ensure that the recipient's information is correct. Double-check the recipient's email address or phone number to make sure it matches the one they used to enroll in Zelle. If the information is incorrect, cancel the payment and resubmit it with the correct information. Another common issue is that the recipient may not be enrolled in Zelle. If the recipient is not enrolled, they will receive an email or text message with instructions on how to enroll and claim the payment. If the recipient does not enroll within 14 days, the payment will be canceled, and the funds will be returned to the sender. It is also important to check for any issues with your bank account or the recipient's bank account. Ensure that both accounts are active and have sufficient funds. If there are any issues with the accounts, contact your bank or the recipient's bank to resolve the issue. In some cases, payments may be delayed due to security reviews. Zelle has security measures in place to protect users from fraud and scams if a payment is flagged for review. It may be delayed until the review is complete. To avoid issues with Zelle payments, make sure to use the correct recipient information. Ensure that both accounts are active and have sufficient funds. And be patient and allow time for the payment to process. If you encounter any issues, contact Zelle support or your bank for assistance. By following these steps, you can troubleshoot Zelle payment status and resolve any issues that may arise.